In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suspend a user account in Google Workspace. Whether you're managing accounts for a business or an organization, knowing how to do this can be crucial for maintaining control over user access. Let's break down the process into easy, digestible steps. Firstly, you'll want to ensure you're signed into your Google Admin Console. This is your main hub for managing all administrative tasks related to Google Workspace. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard, which is your starting point. On this dashboard, look for the Directory section, and within that, you'll find Users. This is where all the user accounts you manage are listed. As you navigate to Users, you'll see a list of all the user accounts associated with your Google Workspace. If it's quite a large list, don't hesitate to use the search function to quickly find the user account you're looking to suspend. Once you've located the specific user account, hover your cursor over their name. This action will bring up additional options relevant to managing that particular account. Among these, you'll find a menu labeled More Options. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see the option to suspend user. Go ahead and select that. Now, before finalizing this action, Google will provide a brief reminder or confirmation window. This is essentially a safeguard, an opportunity for you to reconsider or double-check that you've selected the right user. The message will remind you of the consequences of suspending an account, such as the user's inability to access services or data associated with their account until they are reactivated. After reviewing this reminder and confirming that you still wish to proceed, simply click on Suspend. This final action will effectively lock the account, restricting the user from accessing any Google Workspace services. Suspending a user account is a decisive step, often used in situations where access needs to be temporarily revoked, whether for security reasons, employee turnover, or account auditing. Remember, suspending a user doesn't delete their account or data, it merely deactivates their access. Should you need to, you can always reactivate a suspended account by reversing these steps. Doing so will restore their access and privileges within Google Workspace. That's it. You've now successfully suspended a user account within Google Workspace. Managing user accounts is a key aspect of any admin's responsibility, and knowing how to efficiently suspend an account is a valuable skill in your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing Google Workspace.